late on this video, but I'm hoping you guys didn't have any problems with it. So I'm going to do it, and hopefully you can catch the video later at some point. And here you go. So 6 over 11. So again, we might wanna write the question: how many 211s are in 611? So how many of this fit inside of that? Right? So let's draw 6 over 11 first. And again, this as best as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 pieces. I'm going to shade 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And then right at the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces. So let me write 6. This is 6, 11, and this is 2, 11. So imagine you had a chocolate bar, you cut up into 11 pieces. These 5 here, you ate, lo comiste, right? So this is what you have left over. And then you want to share it with your friends. And let's highlight. And you want to give all your friends 2 out of 11. You want to give them 2 pieces. So how many friends can you give this to? Well, you can give this to one of your friends. Right? Let's give this to let's get that to Sonnen. Right? So let's give this to Sonnen. It's all right. S for Sonnen. Let's give the next 2 pieces to Rachel. Rachel, RR. And then let's give the next 2 pieces, and we can look at that. Give it to Jaslyn, JJ. So everybody got 2 pieces, right? 2 out of 11 pieces. So Sonnen got 2 out of 11. Rachel got 2 out of 11, and Jaslyn, got 2 out of 11. So the answer is how many people? So how many times can 2 11s go into? And the answer is 3. So that's one way of doing it, right? So and then at the bottom, oops, remember we had 6 of 11. So one of the things we can do is cross these out, right? And we divide the top. 6 divided by 2, we can write like this as a fraction. And what's 6 divided by 2? 6 divided by 2 is 3. Next, let's draw 15. Ooh, should use smaller numbers. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. I have the luxury of okay, seriously? Of an idea. Check, no. Rotate, no. Group, no. Bring forward and backward, no. Okay, I see. Command D. Here we go. So oops. Right. So now let's draw 12 out of 15. This will be my 12 out of 15. This will be my 4 out of 15. So again, you want to ask how many 4/15ths are in 12 or 15, right? Let's shade this. 12 out of 15 is going to be all the way up to here. That's 12. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be here. Okay. So this is how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So how many times can these 4 fit on the top? So we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, right? So let's give it to, I don't know, Luis, right? 4/15. Can we give it to another person, 4/15? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's give that to Jacqueline. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. And then we want to give 4, right? Another 4 to another. Can we do that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at that. We actually can. Let's give this to, I don't know, Amir. 4 pieces. So how many of these, how many groups of 4/15? So there's one group of 4/15 over here, another group of 4/15, and another group of 4/15, and that gives us the answer is 3. And then another way of doing this, we can cross this out, and we can divide 12 divided by 4. And 12 divided by 4, you know that's 3. That's the same answer. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. Let's go to the bottom ones, 3 and 4. Uh, ugh, 9 over 7. Okay, so 9 over 7, you notice that the denominator is bigger. So we're going to draw in sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I need another one. So then I'm going to take that guy over here. Oops. All right, so let's draw 9 out of a 7 first. And we got shade not 7. Well, this is 7, right? And then we need 2 more. And the bottom one, we're only going to shoot. So this is 9 out of 7. And this we need 2 out of 7. So let's shade only 2. Right? So again, how many 2 sevens groups? So we need to make groups of little 2s, right? 2 sevens. So here's one. Let me pick a different color. Here's one, right? Let's give it to, I don't know, Jeremy. Let's give these 2 to Sonam, right? Let's give these 2 to Camila. Let's give these 2 to Rachel, this one and this one. And then the last one here, I want to give it to Jacqueline. But can I give 2 pieces to Jacqueline? No, I can't. So far, how many people got 2 7? So this person got 2 7, this person got 2 7, 2 7, and Rachel also got 2 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4 people. And then Jacqueline over here, we gave her 1 piece out of the 2 we're trying. So the answer is 4.5. You do it the other way. We're going to cross these 2 out, right? Because they're same denominators. And 9 divided by 2, right? 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. We get the same exact answers, right? How many times can 2 go into 9? 4 times. How many left over? 1 out of 2. And this one we have to break it into 8s. So, right, and we're going to have to do another one because it's the numerator, sorry, is bigger. So let's draw 2 more. And when I learn to separate these 2, we might actually get to the yay. So put that. So we got to do 13 over 8. 13 over 8 would be 8 over 8, right? This is 8 over 8. 9 over 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 over 8 would go all the way here. So, and then at the bottom is 4 over 8. Right? This is what you have. 13 over 8. The bottom one is 4 over 8. And we want to see how many times can we fit this guy over here, right? These 4. How many times can it fit into 13 over 8? So how many 4 over 8s are in 13 over 8? All right, so we need to make groups of 4 8s. So let's get 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3 groups. So for sure, we can make 3 groups. And for the last person, we can only give him 1. We can only give him 1 out of what? Out of how many we were trying to give him? We were trying to give him 4. So we gave him 1 out of 4. And that's our answer. Okay, so now let's do that this way. We cross the bottoms because they're the same. And 13 divided by 4. How many times can 4 go in 13? 3 times. How many left over? 1 out of 4. So if you want, also think about this in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? How many groups of 4 can I be? Tell me, how many times can 4 go into 13? Well, 4 can go into 13. I can make one group of 4. Another group of 4, that's 2. another group of 4. That's 3, and that's where my whole number comes from. How many left over? I have 1 left over out of 4. Okay. Five, 6, 7, 8. So this is 3/4. So again, it's the same thing. Just because the first fraction is smaller doesn't mean anything. So again, how many 7/4 are in 3/4? The question doesn't change. Okay. So let's draw what we have. I have this much. I have a chocolate bar. Let me show you. This is 3/4. This is what I have. And then I want to give people, oops, I want to share. This is what I want to share. This is what I want to share. So I want to share that with my friends. And I want to give each of my friends 7/4. So let's shade 7/4. 4/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and this is 7/4. So how many of these 7/4 can I fit in here? So can I give, so I want to give 7/4 to Stephen. Right? So if I want to give 7/4 to Stephen, can I give him 7 pieces? No, I can give him 1, 2, 3. 3. And how many pieces was I trying to give to Stephen? 7, right? I was trying to give him 7. So the answer is 3/7. So if we do it the other way, we cross out the bottoms, right? The denominators. And 3 divided by 7, right as a fraction, is 3/7. Can we simplify this? We can't, so that's our final answer. Same thing here. How many 3/5 are in 1/5? So let's draw what we have. So I have a chocolate bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I only have 1 piece left. Okay, but I want to share 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to give each of my friends 3. You're gonna say that's not possible. It's not. So how many of these can I fit in here? I can't fit all these 3 in that one, right? I can't. So if I wanted to give Luis 3 pieces, I want to give Luis 3/5. I want to give Luis 3 pieces. Well, for Luis, unfortunately, I only have 1 to give. So what's my answer? My answer is going to be 1 out of how many pieces was I trying to give to Luis? I was trying to give Luis 3, so it's 1 out of 3. Unfortunately, I don't have any more. So at the bottom, oops, 1/5 divided by 3/5, and my answer is 1/3. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure you guys are getting more and more comfortable with it. 7/1/8. Okay, oops. 7/1/8 over here. So we want to show I have, okay. So this is how much I have, 3/8, and this is how much I want to. So again, it's very important, as long as important that you know how many 7/8 are in 3/8. Okay, I guess the sun went down. So how many of these are in here? So I want to give Camila 7 pieces. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna give Camila 1, 2, 3. So Camila got 3, and how many was I trying to give her? I was trying to give her 7. So that's my answer. So again, like that. Cross that out, cross that out, and 3 divided by 7 is just as a fraction 3/7. And notice that we have the same answer. This time I have 9. I have 10. So something in 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have, this is not, oops, we have 9/10. This is 4/10. So a little, so 9/10, oh boy. 9/10 would be all the way here. That's what I have. And I want to see how many 4/10 I can put in here. Right, so how many groups of 4/10 can I make? I can make one group. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, that's one group. Can I make another one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's another group. Let me write a 2. So this fits in there 2 times. And then can I make another group of 4? No, I can only have 1/4 of the next group. So 9/10 divided by 4/10. This crosses out. And then we write that as a fraction. 9 divided by 4. 4 goes into 9 2 times. 1 left over out of 4. So let me draw 9 for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So you want to make groups of 4. 1, 2. And that's where my whole number comes in. And we have 1 left over out of 4. Okay? So this is 9, and we're going to need 2 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One next to here. All right, so this is 15/9. This is 5/9. That's shade 15/9, so that would be 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9. So that's 9, sorry. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that's 15/9. Here's 5/9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want to see how many times these guys can I put in there. Right, so imagine cut into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me shade this. All right, so I want to see how many times can I fit this once. I can fit it twice, 3 times, right? So I want to see how many times it fits in here. All right, so that's what I want you to think of. So let's see. Or you can see how many times, how many pieces of 9/5 you can give out. All right, so let's give this to Luis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So one person can get 5 9s. Rachel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She can get, that's another 2 people. That's going to write a 1, 2. Then the next person I want to give 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Tarmir. That's 3 people. So for sure, 3 people. And then to Jeremy, I give him 1 out of 5. That's our answer. Did I draw this wrong? So hang on a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did draw this wrong. Okay, so sorry, we're gonna have to go back. I drew this wrong. It's all wrong. Well, not all wrong, but wrong. So I'm going to have to delete this. Wait a second. Delete this guy over here. Delete this guy because I drew 1 too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's better. Sorry. So again, the idea is again the same. How many of these fit in here, right? How many 5 9s can I fit in here? So I forgot who I give it. Let's give this to Camila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I want to give her 5 9s, right? So that's one person. Luis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 2 people. then so on them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually, I can give this to 3 people exactly. So 15 over 9 divided by 5, 9. Let's cross these out, like the numerators as a fraction. And what's 15 divided by 5? 3. Next one is 8 over 8 and 3 over 8. 8 over 8 would be the whole thing, right? 8 over 8, 8 pieces out of 8. The bottom is 3 pieces out of the 8. So how many times can these 3 fit in here? Right? How many times can 3 over 8 fit in there? Right, I want to take that piece, right? 3 over 8. 1, 2, 3. Right? And I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it fit inside. How many times does it fit in there? Right? So it's 3 pieces, so 1, 2, 3, 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 2 times. So that's 1, 2. And then again, notice that I can only fit 2. So I can fit it 2 times. It fits inside 2 times. And the next one, only 2 out of the 3 are possible. So 8 over 8 divided by 3 over 8. These cross. That comes right as a fraction. And what's 8 divided by 3? So think about this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So groups of 3. I can make one group of 3, another group of 3, right? So it's 2 groups of 3. And then how many left over? 2 over 3. And that's how I get this answer. We have 2 more. No, I can't contain the excitement. 7 over 15. Why do I pick big numbers like this? All right, so let's draw 15. Jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so there should be 15 pieces. And there we go. So here's 7 over 15. Here's 11 over 15. And the question is, how many times can 11 over 15 fit inside 7 over 15? 11, yeah. How many times can 11, 15 fit inside 7, 15? So let's share, let's, what do you call, shade 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this one I want to shade 11. All right. So again, how many times? So again, let me do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So I'm just drawing that again here, just to show you. So I'm going to take this guy, the 11 over 15, right? So I'm going to take this guy, which is this piece, and I'll try to fit it, put it over here. And you notice that not all of them are going to go in, right? There's no room in 7 for 11. Okay, so it's pretend I want to give Camila 11 pieces, pero I only have 7. So I can give Camila 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I give her 11 pieces? I can't. But I can give her 7 pieces out of, how many was I trying to give her? I was trying to give her 11. And that's the answer. So the other way, 70. So this would cross out. We write that as a fraction, and we get 7 over 11. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is 4 out of 7. Now we have 3 out of 7. That's the same thing. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's shade 4. Let's shade 3. And let me just show you what those three pieces look like. 1, 2, 3. Let me shade them here. So this is 3 out of 7. Remember, I imagine I cut it out. Right, I cut it out, and I want to take this, and I want to fit it in here. Does it fit? Yes, it fit. Can it fit more than one time? Well, we don't know. So that's what we're trying to do. So you can think of it as that way, right? So 3/7, right? How many 3/7 exist in 4/7? So let's say I want to give this, right? There's 3, so 1, 2, 3. It fit one time. And then if I try to put this inside here, will they fit? Not all of them will fit, but one of them would fit. So the answer is going to be 1 full and then 1/3. So imagine I want to give Rachel 3 pieces. So one person, Rachel, I can give 3 pieces. And then if I want to give Luis the same 3 pieces, right? 1, 2, 3. Was I able to give Luis 3 pieces? No, I gave him 1 out of the 3 I was trying. So, and cross the denominators out. Write 4/3 and change that to a mixed number, 1 and 1/3. So think about this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many groups of 3 can I make? I can make, sorry, how many groups of, what did I do here? Oh, I drew too many, sorry. Over here, this is what I want to draw. So I want to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups of 3 can I make? How many times can 3 go into 4? 3 goes into 4 one time. That's how I got my whole number. How many left over? 1 left over out of 30. Okay? And that's that.